This 2011 BMW X5 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. X5 35i Sport Activity Technology Package Cold Weather Package Convenience Package Sport Package Navigation System Rear View Camera Panoramic Sunroof Heated Front Seat Heated Rear Seat Heated Steering Wheel Front Parking Sensors Rear Parking Access North Rear Side Sunshades 3.0 LDOHC Twin Power Turbo 6-cylinder Engine 8-speed Automatic Transmission X-Drive All-Wheel Drive System Keyless Entry Fog Lamps Power Trunk Opener Cruise Control Power Adjustable Steering Wheel Power Automatic Windows Power Door Locks Wood Trim Interior White Exterior Black Leather Interior BMW Floor Mats Owner's Manual. Please feel free to call us at 630-628-1400 with any questions you might have or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are our next satisfied online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2011 BMW X5 3.5i Sport Activity is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago PR, visit us at autogallerychicago.com.